Go to the Google Chrome. Enter HP Color LaserJet CP1215 printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official website for that printer model. Select your operating system as Windows and choose the correct version. Click on the Download button next to the driver you want to download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to launch the installation wizard. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. You may need to agree to a license, select installation options, and specify the printer connection type, USB cable. If the installation asks you to connect the printer, do so using the appropriate USB cable connection. Make sure the printer is turned on. Connect your HP Color LaserJet CP1215 printer to your computer using a USB cable. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. Your HP Color LaserJet CP1215 printer should now be ready to use with Windows via USB connection.